It is by the engineer in chief.
Engineer in chief.
Lordships, yes.
Not competent.
Yes, he is competent, but so far as my lords is pleased to see the show cause notice, it does not contemplate it under what rules it is being issued, and
Submit your explanation.
I submitted my explanation. My lords is pleased to see the last order.
His reply has been considered, my lord, but not satisfactory, my
You are
lord.
not able to understand. Appellate authority order. Has he considered his reply?
Lordships and show cause notice under the Bihar Contractors Registration Rule, Annexure 6, page 73, followed by absolutely non-speaking order of blacklisting for a period of 10 years, and followed by rejection of my appeal.
How sure? Against show cause notice, writ is maintainable.
No, it is one of the prayer because it was
Huh?
beyond jurisdiction and it was not maintainable. It was contrary to the rules.
Who has passed the order?
The order was passed initially by the engineer.
Not initially.
The original order.
Notice letter number 6745 dated 25/9/2020 issued by whom?
It is by the engineer in chief.
Engineer in chief.
Lordships, yes.
Not competent.
Yes, he is competent, but so far as my lords is pleased to see the show cause notice, it does not contemplate it under what rules it is being issued, and
Submit your explanation.
I submitted my explanation. My lords is pleased to see the last order. Till appeal, my lords, I have lost. My lords were pleased to notice on the last occasion that principal secretary was required to file affidavit as to how his order is a speaking order. Thereafter, my lords, I replied to it. It was not considered and I was blacklisted. Then I filed appeal.
My lord, petitioner has filed the appeal.
Where is the counter affidavit?
My lord, petitioner has filed the appeal, my lord.
Counter affidavit is on record.
On record, my lord, I have stated.
In which paragraph you have stated that
24,
memorandum of rejection of memorandum of
24 paragraph I have stated, my lord, petitioner filed the appeal and several charge has been found against this petitioner, my lord. FIR has also been found against.
Sir, appellate authority order is speaking order or not?
Yes, my lord, speaking order.
Sure.
My
It has not even referred to my. It is page number 90. It is page number 96, annexure 11.
96.
Annexure 10 is my appeal, and annexure 11 is the order.
Where is the reference to show cause notice and his reply?
My lord. So,
No, from page 96 you have to point out.
my lord, I have annexed this so-called notice in my counter affidavit at page 67, my lord.
You are not answering. Page number 96 and 97.
My lord.
Take that page number 96 and 97 and point out where is the reference to show cause notice and his reply, how his reply has been considered.
His reply has been considered, my lord, but not satisfactory, my
You are
lord.
not able to understand. Appellate authority order. Has he considered his reply?
My lord, kindly see my counter affidavit in which it has been mentioned, my lord, it has been.
You can't improve things, sir. Are you aware Mohinder Singh Gill case?
My,
What, my lord?
The order says, my lords, now the order says that the decision to blacklist was taken by the earlier additional chief secretary, therefore it is okay. Lords, it is well drafted appeal, my lords, on the ground of jurisdiction, on the ground of fact that the provisions under which I have been blacklisted, that was not referred in the show cause notice, the rules were not referred in the show cause notice, everything is there but not even a single line. It is only when I ask for payment and this honorable court directed them to consider my representation, then all these started happening.
That is the reason you should not have approached this court.
And my lords, the appeal also, if my lords is pleased to see annexure 10, page 80, on which this order has been passed. My lords will find annexure 10, page 80. It is, my lord, 15 pages appeal. Every ground has been summarized. I came to this honorable court against the original adjudication order, then I was relegated for availing this alternate remedy of appeal. Then I filed this appeal, annexure 10, page 80.
Who is the appellate authority?
This additional chief secretary cum principal secretary of the department. And he has filed the affidavit and saying he has not even referred to my appeal. Yes, annexure 11. He has not even referred to my appeal and he has filed affidavit before the court that yes, I have considered everything.
Counter has been filed.
How many times you are saying counter affidavit is filed, counter affidavit is filed?
already,
Who is disputing?
my lord.
My lord, please tell us.
It has been cited, my lord, several charges have been found against this petitioner. FIR has also been lodged, my lord. In except
Blacklisting for how many years?
10 years, my lords. And none of the counts considered. And lords, there is a charge that I did not use coal tar in the construction work. His Excellency, the President of India, traveled on that road. They constituted a liability committee. They accepted everything, and I purchased the coal tar from them itself, my lords. By way of a demand draft, I have annexed that also. They have not rebutted it, and now they are saying to this lady that you have committed forgery and the lodged FIR. And
Annexure 11 was passed pursuant to 84405 of 2021.
he is confused. Actually, this annexure was passed pursuant to the order by which I was remanded. I was required to file appeal. There were two rounds. First, my claim was required to be decided by the principal secretary of the payment. Then I filed. Then the committee was constituted. Then they issued show cause notice. And then he writes that उनके appeal पर विचार किया गया है. He refers to the order and the proceedings for payment, and he decides my appeal. If my lords is pleased to see,
Who has passed the blacklisting order?
it is the engineer in chief.
Against that you preferred appeal.
Yes, against that I preferred. Therefore, he confirms the original order passed, my lords, by the original adjudicating authority. And if my lords is pleased to see the show cause notice was issued in their para 22, my lords, para 22 of the counter affidavit. They say that it is appeal in pursuance to the High Court's order, and now just one more submission.
Petitioner has prayed for the following relief. Which is the tender you have not mentioned?
Tender, my lords. The tender, my lords.
Tender is relating to which?
Yes, I have annexed, my lords. It is, my lords, annexure 1. Annexure 1.
Synopsis.
No, my lords, annexure 1 of my page 46. His Excellency, the President of India's visit to Kahalgaon Vikramshila Agman.
No, sir. What is the title of the work?
Yes, my lords will find annexure column 1, page 46. It is the repair
You have
work.
not mentioned your synopsis and dates and events. And page 46 is in Hindi.
Yes, my lords. It is, my lords. It is the repair work of, my lords, NH 80, kilometer 136. Emergent repair works. Clause paragraph 1, my lords. कार्य का नाम महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के कहलगांव एवं विक्रमशिला आगमन के अवसर पर बाढ़ से क्षतिग्रस्त राष्ट्रीय उच्च पथ संख्या 80 के किलोमीटर 136 के आकस्मिक Yes, because it was not urgent, not notice.
No, what is the work? Where is the title of the work?
Yes, my lords, annexure 1, I am just requesting my lords to go through. Yes. It is kilometer 136, lordship. They here mark the kilometer.
What is this asphalting?
It is repair works. I was to do the repair works on account of the proposed visit of the President of India. Actually, my lords, this national highway was damaged, and not the Honorable His Excellency President of India was to pass through that road. So therefore, an emergent tender was floated. Must be participated. The factum of work is there. Not the liability committee has approved the road.
Petitioner has had undertaken maintenance work of the road NH 80-136 kilometer on an emergency basis. The work was stated to have been inspected on 8/9/2017. The official respondent stated to have found certain alleged shortcomings while executing the maintenance work. Therefore, they have initiated proceedings to blacklist the petitioner. And the petitioner has been blacklisted on 3/12/2020 by memo 8095 written bracket capital E passed by the engineer in chief works engineer
Works management.
within bracket works management road construction department government of Bihar. He had a grievance, he had a remedy of appeal against the blacklisting order. On the other hand, he had approached this court. This court disposed of his writ petition while relegating him to appellate authority. The appellate authority the petitioner filed his memorandum of appeal before the appellate authority. Which is running to 16 pages. The appellate authority rejected the petitioner's appeal dated appeal on 26/10/2022. Hence the present writ petition. On 22/3/2023, the following order was passed. Counter affidavit has been filed. Perusal of the counter affidavit, it is nothing but improving the impugned order dated 26/10/2022. When the appellate authority's order is amenable to writ jurisdiction, in such an event, the appellate authority, while exercising quasi-judicial function, is bound to consider each and every contention stated in the memorandum of appeal. In other words, appellate authority order cannot be improved by furnishing any other material. Next, Apex Court in the case of Kranti Associates, para 47, it is held as an next, Apex court in the case of UMC,
Technology. UMC technology.
technology, so and so, examined elaborately to insofar as the blacklisting issue is concerned. Perusal of blacklisting order read with the appellate authority order, it is evident that the ingredients with reference to judicial pronouncement the blacklisting authority, namely engineer in chief and so also appellate authority, have not taken note of this stuff. Next one, gist of the various judicial pronouncement on blacklisting are as follows. So therefore, the petitioner has made out a prima facie case so as to interfere with the appellate authority order dated so and so and annexure so and so. It is set aside and the matter is remanded to the Principal Secretary, Road Construction Department, Government of Bihar, Patna, to undertake a fresh exercise of considering the petitioner's memorandum of appeal dated 3/3/2022, 28/3/2022, afresh after considering each of the contentions stated in the memorandum of appeal. So the above exercise shall be completed within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the order. Accordingly, the petition stands about.
The adjudication order, which Milords is pleased to see, it is absolutely illegal order, Milords. The adjudication order, the original order, that is absolutely illegal order, Lordship.
We can't, appellate authority's order is required to be.